I want to give you 4 chords you can use to play any song. 4 chords you can use to play any song at all. Okay, so let's try and do this on the key of C. Then I will go to F. I will go to F sharp and do it. So on C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. F major scale is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. F sharp major scale is F sharp, G sharp, B flat or A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F and F sharp. That's it. So let's start from C. So the 4 chords you can use to play any song at all. I will start with the primary chords. We have 3 primary chords, and they are the major chords in any scale, in any major scale. So on C now, the chord on the first is a primary chord. The chord on the fourth is a primary chord, and the chord on the fifth. So we have 3. That's 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. So how do you form a triad? The formula is the roots. That is your number 1. The third, that is number 3, and the fifth. Good. If you come to the fourth now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be your new roots. Then the third. Then the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the fifth again. If you want to play the primary chord on the fifth, that is on G. G will be your new roots. You play the third and then the fifth. That is it. So this is a triad. This is another triad. This is another triad. So now let's add the fourth. The fourth is a minor chord on the sixth. Now on the sixth. So just go to the sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth, then the third, then the fifth. This is another triad here. So let's play it. So with these 4 chords, you can play any song. With these 4 chords. So if we are singing a song like Ọlọ́run tó dá àwọn òkè ìgbà ni ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ ẹ̀mí fún. So you can play any song with this. Another thing you can do is to add the first notes on the octave, like play it to pinky. So Ọlọ́run tó dá àwọn òkè ìgbà ni ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ ẹ̀mí fún. Ta ni ó tún gbéga o bí kò ṣe Baba lókè. That's it. Ta ni ó tún fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. Ọlọ́run tó dá àwọn òkè ìgbà ni ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. We give you all the glory. We worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. I play any song with this chord. Okay, let's add another song. If you can add, Lord, you reign forever, you're the same. I got my maturity, Mama, you lifted me, you gave me a song. Thank you. That's it. So any song at all, you can play any song with these 4 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go to F and fix out the chords. So on F, this will be the first. That's F, A, C, and F. Yeah. Then the fourth will be this. B flat, D, F, and B flat. Then the fifth will be C, E, G, and C. Then the sixth will be D, F, A, D. That's so. So the songs I played on C, you can transfer them to F. Just these are the chords 1, 4, 5, 6. Now let's go to F sharp. This chord 1 on F sharp, B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. 4 will be, don't forget, double up, like add the first here. So the fourth will be B, D sharp, F sharp, and B. The fifth will be C sharp, F, G sharp, and C sharp. The sixth will be D sharp, F sharp, B flat, and D sharp. So so this will be a 1, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go to G. This G major scale: G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And the first on G will be this: G, B, D, G. The fourth will be C, C, E, G, C. The 5 will be D major, D, F sharp, A, and D. I'm just holding D and A here. Then the 6 will be E minor chord, E, G, B, and E. So 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. Alright, for my C sharp brothers, let's add on C sharp. This C sharp major scale: C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, B, A sharp, C, and C sharp. This one on C sharp: C sharp, F, G sharp, C sharp. 4 is F sharp, B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. 5, G sharp, C, D sharp, and G sharp. 6, B flat, C sharp, F, and B flat. So 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. That is it. Alright, so you can play any song with these 4 chords. I played a few songs on C. If you need me to write out progressions for you, like, just give me songs in the comment section. So if you're a beginner, just give me songs. I will write out progressions for you with these chords. I will write out the chord progressions you can use, then send it back to you. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please help me to do that before you leave. Thanks so very much.